Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today, we've got the return of one of our favorite items that I've been out of stock on for a while, and I have 3 new really cool items to introduce to you that we are going to be carrying on our website. I can't wait to share them with you, so let's get started. Quick note, guys, we just crossed 94,000 subscribers thanks to your help. We are just 6,000 subscribers away from achieving that landmark of 100,000 subscribers. Does it make any difference to me money-wise? No. Does it make any difference to anybody other than me? No, but I would love to get to that and get my little YouTube plaque for all the work that the team here has done. It isn't for me, it's more for them. Please make sure to like and subscribe. All right, guys, first up today, we have the return back in stock of one of my favorite books ever. This is All Corvettes Are Red. This is the story of the near death of the Corvette at the end of the C4 run and the behind-the-scenes secret development by a bunch of guys working on their own time to build what we know as the C5. And every Corvette that came after it, this is the story that allowed that to happen. If you haven't watched the video about how I got into the Corvette business, this book played an exceedingly important role. You can see that video here if you want to learn more about how I got into this 27 years ago. But this is back in stock. It is on our website. And I've had a bunch of people over the years ask me to sign these before I send them out. If you want me to sign this, just make a note of it and just write my name in the notes when you buy it, Lyle, and I will make sure to sign and dedicate it to you. So back in stock on All Corvettes Are Red. Now to introduce 3 new items that we are carrying. These come to us courtesy of the same company we partnered with to make our very popular carbon fiber and leather shift knobs for the automatic C6 transmission. This company does real carbon fiber. This is not carbon flash. It's not carbon-like. This is very real carbon fiber. And when you look at it, it has great depth. It's very 3D. And they have sent me some of the steering wheels that they produce today. And the first one we're going to talk about is the C8 replacement steering wheel. Real carbon fiber, top and bottom, perforated Napa leather on the sides. It is a direct replacement for your existing stock wheel. All of your stuff, all of your buttons, your airbag, everything just plugs into this. And this wheel is absolutely gorgeous. The great thing about this company is because they are friendly to us, because we spent 2 years developing those shifter knobs together, we can sell these actual carbon fiber steering wheels for about the same price that people are getting for the fake carbon fiber steering wheels. These C8 steering wheels are going to be on our website today. They're only a limited amount. We only got 10 of each to start with. So if you want one, you're going to have to get on it. Otherwise, there's going to be a couple of month wait before we get the bulk order in. Real carbon fiber, real Napa leather. Just as a note on all these steering wheels I'm going to talk about today, what you see is what I currently have in inventory. Custom stitching, custom colors, custom this, custom that will be coming in the future, but that we've still got to sort out with the manufacturer. These are what I currently have. So if you want something custom, you may have to wait a while, but if you want something that's beautiful like I just showed you, you can get it today. Continuing on with the new carbon fiber steering wheels from our partner company, we have the C7 flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel. This one, I don't know that I can show it to you cleanly, but the pads where your hands go through when you're driving, it feels so good. It feels like a GT3 car. It's very beefy. Again, real carbon fiber, top and bottom. This is not fake. This is real. Again, I only have 10 of these, so first come, first serve. Last but not least, we have the custom C6 carbon fiber steering wheel. Just as you see it here, red alignment mark, red stitching. Also has the same really nice fat grip for when you're driving. Real carbon fiber top and bottom. This steering wheel fits 2006 through 2011 C6s. So if you have a 2005 or you have a 2012 or 2013, this steering wheel is slightly different, not going to work for you. But for the bulk of C6s, this wheel will bolt right in and contain everything that you need to do it. Again, all the links for these are below in the description of the video. We're so excited to have these available. I can't wait to see what we can do with them in the future. These are our first 10 of each that we've gotten. So if you want to be among the first, you better get on it. So by the time this video comes out, all 3 of these steering wheels will be on our website and the prices are going to be listed there. I promise you it will be worth your while to look at these steering wheels because it's going to be very difficult for you to find real carbon fiber and real Napa leather steering wheels for this price, including delivery to your door. So links are in the description below under the video. Go to our website, take a look there, and anything else your car might need, it's on the website and you can package it all together. Thank you. So that's it for the 3 new items that we have coming out right now. We have other items in the works that we're going to be introducing to you guys later this year. What I want you to do is, if you want to offer what you would like to see on these steering wheels in the future, give us ideas in the comments below. You know, I want this color, this stitching, this alignment mark, Alcantara versus leather, all carbon fiber. What do you think would be a great fit for the car that you own? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll talk to you soon.